Oh, I've got so many tips and tricks and hacks to get you singing and island strumming. So as a beginning ukulele player, this is like one of the steepest learning curves you're going to have, so let's get going. Singing and playing is a skill, and it can be mastered and it can be taught. So I've got hacks to get you there quicker. I know people that have been playing for over a year and still haven't got this technique mastered. So tip number one, be gentle on yourself. Realize that it is a process to get you there, and so don't beat yourself up if you're not getting it. Be gentle, relax, smile, and have fun with it. It's part of the journey. Tip number two is practice. Yeah, it's, the good playing fairy is not going to come touch you on the head sometime in the middle of the night and you're just going to wake up and go like, I got it now. You're going to have to practice. It's just a fact of life. But there are ways to practice it that can get you there quicker. And so I have some of those techniques coming up. Now, I don't know about your life, I know about mine, and I am juggling so many different things that, sometimes getting a really good solid practice session in is challenging. So let me show you my little tool here. Set it down here. This is a ukulele tabletop stand. And your ukulele goes in it, and you can set it on a desk or a bureau or a table, and your ukulele is sitting up there tall and proud. And the nice thing about that is it is a great visual reminder that your ukulele is there and you can grab it whenever. Example. So I'm heading to take the dogs out, and we have a big backyard, and I just let them out, and then I just wait for them to come back in. While I'm waiting, I can grab my ukulele and get some practice in. Watching water boil? Grab your ukulele. Waiting for that microwave to ding? Grab your ukulele. Are you waiting on your kids to get their stuff together? Grab your ukulele. Are you waiting for your husband to get his stuff together? Grab your ukulele. Got the idea? Have it out and available. If anything, you don't need to necessarily have a stand, and there are lots of DIY things where you can put things on the wall to hang your ukulele, have a safe place where you can set it. Just make sure that it's out of its case. The only time my ukulele goes in its case is when it's traveling. The rest of the time, it's out and available, and sometimes it's even on the dining room table. One of the great things about the ukulele is that when for strumming and chording, it does not take breath control. And I'm a flute player, and it's really hard to do things slowly when you have your time to your breath, but not here. So you can go super slow. So doing things super slow, first of all, it's a great way to check in with your body and really feel things. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Just doing it super slow, not putting any unnecessary tension in. It's a great way to train your muscles, because your muscles need to know this, not your brain. So you're training your muscles to take over. It's kind of like riding a bike. Riding a bike is not going to happen if you just think about it. You've got to do it. And you've got to get your muscles to take over for you so that it's not in your head. And that's the exact same thing that's happening here. And just like what I was saying, practice, because you don't learn to ride a bike just thinking about, oh, I should probably learn to ride a bike. No, you got to do it, and you got to do it consistently until those muscles have it all down. So slow practice. We're going to travel outside my little office studio here for the next tip. Okay, here we are in my hallway. Yeah, and I don't have any socks on or shoes. The more tactile, kinesthetic motion that we can get in to our bodies, better it is that you're going to be able to learn your strumming techniques. Just like how we use our words to say things, this is another hack to get you to there faster, sooner, and kind of more fun maybe. So, notice I don't have my ukulele. We're just gonna walk. Yeah, you can walk in place, but even if you're moving through space, that gets more muscles engaged. And so you can just say the down, down, up, 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 down, up. Like that. That's a way to practice. You can also do the do, do, be, do, be, 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 just like that too. So after you've practiced that a little bit and your family thinks you're totally mental, yeah, well, anyway, the next thing to do is get a hold of your uke and do a mute on your strings up here. So you're just lightly touching. So you just get a percussion sound. So we're not even going to worry about what kind of chords we're playing. We're just muting. And if a note rings out, don't worry about it. And then put your strumming with your walking. So like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up. That's another hack. More things that you can get involved, the faster you're going to learn, the more it's going to get integrated into your system so that you're not thinking about it, your body just does it. Okay, we're going to start chaining hacks together to give you the strength to be able to sing and do the island strum at the same time. Take a song that you know really well. The song that I'm including with this is good for most Americans. Just doing the chorus of This Land Is Your Land. And just walk on the beat and sing the song. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest. And you get the idea. Do that. Then just do the island strum with a walk. 1, 2, and here we go. It's down, down, up, 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 down. Find your chords so you know you're singing. And we're going to be doing the strumming, muted, and singing the song. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest. From the Gulf Stream waters. So that's another hack that you can use to get it all integrated in. If you find that singing the whole chorus is too much, just one line. 1, 2, oh 1, 2, here I go. This land is your land. This land is my land. Do it again. This land is your land. This land is my land. Okay? So just take it in small little chunks. Do the second line then. And just concentrate on this. And here is another hack. Don't think that you're going to master this all in one day. Your brain needs time to formulate it. So do it day after day and you string 7, 10 days together, and you've got it. So here's another hack for you. Don't laugh at it until you've tried it. Watch TV and practice your ukulele. The TV helps give you a little bit of distraction. I usually, when I'm doing that, I'm watching something that maybe I've even seen before, or it's kind of like, you know, if you miss 30 seconds of it, you're not going to be totally lost. So I don't know if you can hear, I've got Chuck going on in the background. So you can do the muting with the strings and just practice your strumming. Just like that. It also works when you've got tricky chord changes, like we've got F and G coming up in the New to Uke series, and I did that a lot. So watch television. I hope that you found this instructional video useful to your growth as a ukulele player. Please hit like and subscribe, and even better, leave a comment for me. I am told that there's algorithms and search engine things and all this kind of stuff on YouTube that will make it easier for other aspiring ukulele players to find this video. Thanks so much, and I hope you're having a great time playing your ukulele.